Frank McMartin, University of Richmond plumbing supervisor. We had a new sales rep come in trying to sell us a product. He told us it was the same thing as drain punch, but cheaper. Not going to happen. No, it's not. Drain punch is in a class of its own. He tried to sell it to us.
Every time I use the air ram, it either blows the bottom of the pipe out. Sometimes it don't even work. But when I pour this in it, you can just watch it work, just drain on down. Every time. I use all mine up, and it don't eat the pipes up. So you're good to go.
No. Two of the happiest plumbers in Richmond.
Hey, yes, sir. All I gotta do is pour and stand there.
Awesome. Merry
20
Christmas.
minutes, it's done.
Merry Christmas, y'all.
Merry
Thank
Christmas.
you, man.
All right, so I just got done doing a property walk, and we had an apartment that was supposed to move in. Well, they ended up moving in, but they almost moved in.
A little bit more, all of a sudden the whole thing went, boom, gone. I said, holy crap. So it works really well.
Yeah, I use the whole bottle.